The first editing technique using CapCut is the 10-second countdown using free effects. Countdowns are highly sought after by professional content creators and have a broad target audience. Let's take a look at the number of customers who have purchased the 10-second countdown in my portfolio. Preparation for creating the countdown, fire effect overlay, and background color. Now I'm going to teach you how to get a free fire effect for editing in CapCut. First, go to YouTube and type fire overlay. Once you find the video effect you like, copy the video link. Second step, go to Google and type save from. Then paste the link you copied earlier and download it in the highest quality. After you get the fire effect, now we're going to look for various background colors for editing materials in CapCut. If you're using a phone, install the Photo Room app from the Play Store. Open the app. Choose white background and insert any photo in landscape mode. Tap your photo, then delete your photo. Tap the white screen. Select the color menu. Change the color to your preference. Then click Done. Save it to your gallery. Now all the editing materials are gathered for free. Let's create a 10-second countdown with the fire effect using various design styles.